have. All right, because earlier on I made a video that I posted on TikTok, and also I posted it on X, and that I was going to make a live video, and that live video I have made it on YouTube. Talked extensively about understanding key levels and how that key level can help we as traders to become useful, to become profitable. So what then now happened? Nothing, actually. Nothing happened. I am just so delighted that I am able to make this kind of an impact in my own life. Trade and trade and trade very responsibly and become very, very profitable. Okay, now that's the beauty of it. Seriously, that's the beauty of it, to trade and make money for yourself. Now I'm just going to quickly show or talk about what I have done, and so far so good. The beauty of the real beauty of knowing what to do, when to do it, and how to go about it. Honestly, you will never be broke again. You will never lose out in any market again. All right, you will never lose out in any market again. I'm just trying to post again to X so that people can also see. Anybody can stumble upon this anytime in life, and then you can come and talk about what you have benefited so far, what happened when FXtraderKGEE was actually showing you what he can do and what he is currently doing and how he trades. All right, so now this is Euro Japanese yen. All right, a good call out for Euro Japanese yen. Again, this is what price did. Touched this psychological very key level and did what? After this candle, this is just about 47 pips. It touched here, went up again. After this candle, you could take your trade. This is just about 40 pips so far that this has given. That is EJ alone. Now let's come to GBP JPY that I analyzed, and towards the end of the live stream, this is what I said. Let me just okay, so that we can see. Towards the end of the live stream, this is what I said, that there's possibility with the way this is ranging, and with another confirmation that I got, that GBP JPY could sell. If you are taking this trade, maybe you would have made about 41 pips. Okay, yeah, you would have made about 41 pips. About 41 pips. That is for GBP JPY. And why GBP USD is doing whatever it is that it's doing. See, this is actually a free zone. This could we could call this like this is a midpoint of this twin key level and also this other key level that is here. This is actually where GBP USD is. It's actually a midpoint. In this case, I might want to not want to do anything because I want price to actually touch any of this key level here, then get another confirmation with other softwares, and then take the trade immediately. Now let's quickly also look at UCAD too. Now look at what UCAD did. Got to price Okay, got to price projection, and around price projection nothing had really happened, had not really gone up. But wait, I'm still looking at the possibility I could have taken. Now this is the tricky part of it. Now this would have taken me into trading GBP, sorry, USD card. This is USD card here. Oh, we are not seeing it. Let me just take this off so that we can see those instruments very well. I'm gonna do away with the QR code. Now this is USD card here. This is the current price. Now this is around this area is where there is a twin key level here. Okay, which of course possibly if price drops down to this point, then I'm going to look for a buy. Yes, to buy, to long USD Canadian dollar. All right, anywhere from here. That is if it gets here, and if it does not get here, anything above this point, I will look for a good entry to long from here and then exit from here. I think that's the beauty of a day trader, understanding where those areas are most important and then take absolute opportunity of it and make the most of it. All right, now let me show you another one. Now this is USD JPY. I guess it's still loading, right? Okay, this is where price currently is. Load up, load up, load up. Okay, in 1 minute time frame, you can see this is the same upper threshold. This is the same threshold here. Now this is what your USD JPY has done. Got here, there's a perfect entry around this place. Okay, now down to this place. The beauty of it is not just that price is touching it, it's making you to know. Now in the past, I've been a victim of this, where I would just maybe see this as our price is going up, oh, let me buy from around this point. And that is what the FX market wants you to do, because they need plenty of liquidity from we all that are retail traders. Okay, the market needs liquidity from us that are retail traders. Institutions, hedge funds need liquidity to move the market. Now we are what are being used as that. Okay, so market makers will just give you a price instead of you to just, you could analyze it, if the market maker, whatever it is that they can give or whatever it is that they bring towards to my table. All right, now that's the beauty of it. Now let's look at another one, XAU USD. Where is price currently? Still loading up, because once it loads, this is going to start reading. All right, now so far so good. It is so beautiful that I get to enjoy this. Okay, I don't want to be that kind of a trader that will come to you and start giving you those vibes, the vibes that the internet wants to see. Okay, he has a fine house, he has a good he has a fine house, he has a good car, oh, he has this, he has that, oh, this is the kind of person he is, oh, okay, he's wearing an, of course that is what you should enjoy as a successful trader, but that shouldn't be what I will preach to you guys. I should show you that this is how you're going to be successful. I should show you that this is what you can trade to make money today. This is what you should do. Okay, this is where you should wait for price. I see people still come up online posing to be the great, or one of the greatest, or one of the odogus. You will still see them play straight and like, what is this guy doing? And you are telling people sorry because they lost money. Or when they lose money, oh, sorry, don't worry, we'll try it next. Of course, yeah, you can lose money, but lose it reasonably. Okay, for instance, let's say I want to sell for instance, I want to sell from here XAU USD, and I took a sell from this point here at this point 4145.80, and maybe now, like, okay, maybe set my take profit around here, and if it takes this take profit, I know that okay, I was still justified, that this is a very good reasonable area where I took price, I took my entry from. All right, Now XAUUSD, this is what price is currently doing. All right, it's the same thing in the 1 hour time frame. Whatever price is saying here is what you will see in 5 minutes, so it doesn't change. All right, now look at XAUUSD. Price had moved in a bullish bias today in London session. Now we are in between the London session and the start of the New Year session. Now price is maybe like, okay, thinking what direction should it go. Okay, but if it were for me, I'll be looking at, based on what is in front of me, I could analyze the market to maybe go down or maybe go up. Two things are always involved. Okay, now when I get a confirmation, I could sell. If the confirmation is good, I could buy. All right, that is what institutions do. Certain area, they'll wait for price there, take away all of they will take away every of your stop losses. Institutions will take away the market will take away every of your stop, then now reset and start moving. Okay, this is the direction I want to go to, and you'll be like, but I got it. I got it. Oh, but your entry was not good. Okay, honestly, your entry was not good. So let me just use this opportunity to say that I'm going to be challenging myself, funding an account and start trading it until it becomes something very reasonable, like a separate account. Okay, a separate trading account, very, very small. Okay, to show that I do not say with what I have, even if you give me a very small standard account, very small, I said I would trade it and trade it reasonably. Seriously, I'm going to trade it and trade it reasonably. Gone are those times. I experienced that long time ago. Okay, now this is what it is right now. Okay, this is really what it is right now. So just to confirm that I did talked about this, see, it's still going down. Even the so-called EJ is still going down. Okay, see, EJ is still going down. May not break below this, may break below this point, but yes, if it does, it's a good one. Whoever took a trade from here now has made money. $100, $30, $40, $1,000, $100,000. You will see people make hundreds of thousands of dollars just this small move here. Go watch Wall Street Warriors. You will know what I'm talking about. Honestly, go watch Wall Street Warrior. So what's crypto actually also saying? BTC USD 2 is okay, has on its own. Price touched this key level. This key level is so important to me. See, price touched this key level. You don't have to wait to get 1,000 pips at once. Understand those levels. If I should show you guys the this monitors weekly and monthly for me, if I should show you guys the one that monitors yearly key level for me, that's what is good for swing trading, and that is what I use. Okay, understand the key level. See, your chart can be anyhow, it can be whatever it is, elsewhere, maybe in another PC, but where you analyze the market professionally should, I don't know. Okay, let me show you guys this. Now this is it. GBP JPY called a sell order some 30 minutes ago. GBP JPY called as in another sell order some 30 minutes ago, so it could have been two trades that is currently running on the chart. Could have been two trades it's currently running, honestly. So could have been two trades. I will do this more. Okay, I will do this more while I have my main software, okay, elsewhere that is also doing other calculations. This is just to let me know that those levels work. Okay. Okay, and sorry, just to let you guys know that those level work, I will be bringing it out one after the other to show, you to show to people. Okay, I'll be bringing one after the other, then show the people, and people will see. And that's, it's not a one-day work. It's a one-day work, it's not a day job. All right, so this software here, if you need it, I can give it out for free. Go pick it on my Telegram channel, and one or two that I've also posted. I think a few that I've also, is free. This is free. Okay, and if you also want me to help you to turn your trading methodology, your idea, into a good trading system, yeah, get in touch with me. It's not going to be free, so that my inbox will not be filled with informations. All right, and I guess this is the point where you quickly go and hit the subscribe button, join the community, and use the link. Yes, use the link. You can join with the link too, and let's see how well use the Telegram link to join the community, and let's see how well. Okay, how effing well. It's all right. Laula wala kuwata. Party wonder. Okay, I'll be here for another 3 minutes, and I'll be off. Okay, so I guess earlier on I said something about XAU-USD, this being on the buy side, this being bearish. Now you see that both of them, now let's go look at it on the chart. I think it had matched up, gotten it. Okay, where is this other software? Let me just add it so that let me launch it to quickly see when XAU-USD got into that zone. So what I'll just do is I'll just expect a short pullback anywhere, then yes, a short pullback anywhere, and then take, and this is the only key level that I have beneath this, which is the weekly. So anywhere around here, I'm just going to wait and then possibly take a buy order from there. That is XAU-USD. That's the common sense. Okay, all right, I'll see you in the next video. let me quickly bust a bubble, show you something else. Okay, now this is it. Funny, right? Yeah, this is another terminal here. Market is bearish, GBP JPY. All right, GBP JPY, market is bearish. The same key levels, the same key level. It just came down from up, touched down. Market is fully bearish, fully bearish, and it just signaled not quite long a sell. Okay, now where is the XAUUSD? To show you that market is never going to show that market is bearish. Indicators is not good. If you trade in the indicator, don't trade my stupidity. I'm sorry, I don't mean to. Okay, that's stupidity of the highest order. Stupidity to tell you that it's only what you know works. To tell people that it's only, everybody will just come and say, oh, this is there. Okay, this guy was just making that noise in the United States that yeah, whatever he knows, that's what moves the market. He couldn't even win a competition. He couldn't even come second. Bring the competition. Let's win it. Bring the competition. Let's win it. No, bring the competition. Let's win it. Bring the competition. Let's win it. Okay, anyway, I don't want to tarry here. I'll see you in the next one.